So today I'm going to show you how to prepare tostones, but it's not the traditional Puerto Rican tostone that you find that they're round, fit more people because of the way you cut it. This one is the one that is used for example, this type could be longer. I will show you how to cut them. That can be used for a jibarito sandwich or for patacones, or just because you want to eat them this way, a little bit more crunchy and delicious. And remember, if I can cook it, so can you. So go nowhere. Let's create. And I'm using a small knife just to illustrate that you can use a big knife like I typically use, like chef knife, to cut. Or you can use a little one too, if you want to handle things easier, because you need to peel this baby. And sometimes I like to do the incisions nearby each other. So when I start cutting, when I start peeling, it's easier to peel. You know, you pull this out, and now it's easier because the other incision is closer. See, it's easier to peel, see the other incision. And when they're very green, they can be pain in the butt. And they can mess your clothes off, so be careful. But once you get the first one out, everything else falls in place, okay? See? See how everything, and because I made the other incision here, it's coming out. And to manage this properly, I like to cut them in half. And then I like to cut them 1/3 horizontal. See? One-third. Be careful. Have your knife sharp. See how they look? Vegetable oil, you can use corn oil. And what I did is I have it at high for a minute or two. Now I'm going to reduce it to medium. And I'm going to put these babies in. And I made sure they're covered in oil. If they're not, then you're going to have to flip them, okay? About 5 or so minutes later, put them in a plate with a paper towel so that grease kind of drip out. And now you're going to squash them. Cutting board, you can use a cup too. Put some pressure. See? And then you have something like this, like spatula. Bingo, see? Now increase the heat a couple notches about medium. And you add these babies. And let them cook for about 45 seconds, no more than a minute, okay?